it's time to be out and about again, and my bus leaves from Pune in a few hours, and I'm kind of running late, but I hope I'll be able to manage all of this packing that is still left. And then my bus is taking me to Bangalore. I'll be staying over for not actually for a whole night in Bangalore, or a few hours, do some shopping, and then I'll be catching my flight to Delhi. And then we all know where I'm headed. So stick around. I'm so confused what to carry. Energy bars. This is a pretty comfortable bus seat for this. This is so narrow. And thankfully they have begun giving us the sheets again. This plug point looks like it's in working condition, which is good. We are still 10 hours away from Bangalore, and I think I'll just turn in for the night. So I've just reached my friend's house, and I found it in quite a state of mess because nobody was here for over 2 months. Now I have some work to do, some emails to respond to, and then maybe I'll be ordering in my breakfast. And then maybe I'll just take a nap, and during the evening I'll be heading out for Decathlon. Like, I have some more weight to be added to my bag, and I have some more stuff to pick up from here as well. Light traveling is a myth. So here's a puffer here, a muffler, also a poncho. There are a few more things that I need to pick up from Decathlon, and I'll be on my way in a while. Done with my shopping. So my bags are packed, and my cab should be here in a while. So I'm all ready and all dressed up now. If you might have noticed, I've cropped my bangs even more. And well, my cab should be here by 2 a.m. Right now it's 1:50 or 1:45. And it's quite cold in Bangalore. Right now I'm wearing 2 layers, but then there's another layer to go. And what else? Yeah, I tried to fall asleep, but I just couldn't. I don't know why. I gave myself enough time to, catch up on some sleep, but that just couldn't happen. Probably I'm too excited, or I don't know what is it really. just reached Delhi and this is our first meal of the day. We're going to Majnu Ka Tira now, right? आगे?
OTP होगा.
This is yeah. I think they have added a lot of color into this mojito. They shouldn't have, right? It should have been clear. So we're now at Echoes in Hudson Lane, and we came here after spending some time at Majnu Ka Tila, and we thought of spending all of the time we have before our bus arrives there, but then we were very thrilled being there, so which is why we came here. And now our bus leaves at 7, and in some time we'll be going back to Majnu Ka Tila to report. We have stopped by at this place, I don't know where it is. Over at this place now for our dinner, but I don't think we're gonna have anything because let us even sorry we avoid eating while we are traveling because we wanna, be down with bowel problems while traveling. And I think it's about like 10:30 now, and maybe it's another 6 to 7 hours of journey, then we will be in Moscow. Shriveled hands. Oh my god. We have finally reached Kasol. Now we are heading to our hostel, which is the hosteler. So we made it to our room after walking around for almost 4 hours. We reached here at around 7:30 a.m. in the morning, but then it was too early to check in then, so we left our bags, luggages here and went out with the thought of like getting familiar around Kasol. Walked, found a spot from where we could access the Parvati river. We got down but didn't get really close to the river, but then we took a lot of nice pictures there. Coming back from there, we unwittingly made our way into the Chalal track, yeah. And we didn't even know that we were undertaking a Chalal track without even being prepared for it. We just found ourselves doing it. We went very deep inside that forest, that trek, and found this party place, Pirates of Parvati, where we might go this evening. Not sure really. And we returned from there, and yeah, here we are. So it was like 4 hours of meandering, exploring, and now it's time to freshen up. It's been long due, and I'll see you after that.